everyone. So to give you a Bitcoin update, I decided to record a video rather than updating you on Discord. So on the weekly chart of Bitcoin, what do we have here? So it's always better to start with the weekly chart and then zoom in the low time frame level. We're gonna look at the weekly chart and then go down on the low time frame to see where's the support and resistance areas and where Bitcoin is rejecting. So on the high time frame level, we have this nice channel from last year, January, where the price was around 30K, 28K, and then made a run up to the 65 level, rejected, went down over the summer, consolidated around the lows of 30K, swing failure this lows, where the price wicked through the level, and then went in a nice run to the top of the channel. On the top of the channel, what we have here, if we go on the daily, we notice that it closed one daily candle and then tried to close a couple of candles above the high, but the price couldn't maintain the run up and get rejected and back down into the channel. So now the price find a local low around the 33K area where we have a CME gap, old CME gap from last year, and is trying to have a relief bounce after this strong downtrend. So where's the price rejected now? If we take a fixed range, where's the volume for this entire range from this candle up to now, if we look at the entire volume range here, we see that the value area low, the lowest price in the value area, and the price is now rejecting from this value area low. It's so important that the price will reclaim this level for a potential higher. If the price reclaims this level, then we will be looking at the mid of the channel for another run up to the middle of the channel. But what's happening here on that high time frame? If Bitcoin in the coming months manage to run up, let's say, to 52 area or even 53 area, on the high time frame picture, this is still a lower high. So we have a high, a lower high, and here we have a low and a lower low. So this will be a confirmed downtrend, and then we will look at Bitcoin, what we'll do next. If it managed to put a higher low, this will be kind of good for a potential higher. But if the price kept going lower, this will be a downtrend on the weekly, where we will have low, high, lower low, lower high, and we expect lower. How low we expect, we will look at that next, but the 25 area can be a target, or even the 20K area. I'm not saying this will happen. The best case scenario for Bitcoin is to consolidate around this level for a couple of months to come. The best case scenario is to consolidate here and then try another run up, maybe mid of the year or end of the year. So this is on the high, very high, fast time frame level. What's happening on the lower time frame? Let's go on the daily here. Let's go on the 4 hours. That's the 4-hour chart. What do we have here locally? We had this channel and we had this highs. So Bitcoin came to the lows, then swing failed the lows, back up to the top of the channel here, rejected, again tested the channel, rejected, tried to close above the channel, and then swing failure this high. This was the last high, and if you notice yesterday, the price went through the level and then down. So it tried to break out the channel, but it couldn't break out this high. In general, when we're trading a channel, we want to look not only the breakout of the channel, but also breakout of that last resistance level. And the price rejected from this high, swing failure, it took all the liquidity here, and the price went lower. Now it's going lower. So what we're looking at, if we take a fixed range of this entire of this entire range, we'll see that the value area high is around 38K. So we want this to hold for a potential breakout from this channel. If this level didn't hold, we're looking lower. This will be a very nice level to watch. Swing failure, these lows take all the liquidity into the golden pocket from the low to the high. And also we have a monthly level here. So this is a level to watch, mid of the channel, swing failure, these lows. This is a level to watch for a nice bounce, not necessarily a reversal. This is another level I'll be watching for a potential bounce. If those levels failed, then we're looking at the lower of the channel and the potential swing failure of these lows. That's on the 4-hour chart. So for support, we're looking at around the 36 area and then the 35 area for potential nice bounce, for potential scalp trade, not necessarily a swing trade to the highs, but it will be a nice, expect a nice bounce. If I saw strength, if I saw prices going here, I'm seeing some bullish diversions, I'm seeing buyers coming in, a lot of buying volume, then we will look to trade this from this level or this level. If not, I'm looking for the low of the channel, and maybe why not swing failure these lows. If the price managed to bounce from here or anywhere and close above this previous high, a 1-hour closer or 4-hour closure above this will give us the next target higher. Where will be the next target higher? So here we have if we take the Fibonacci extension from this high to the low, from the 44K high to the low, we'll see that the golden pocket is coming around 40K to 4,500K. This is a strong resistance, plus we have the previous SR flip. So we have these levels that were acting as support here. There will be resistance now on the way up together with the Fibonacci. So this is a level to watch for a potential short trade. If we saw weakness in this level, we can expect the price to go back down for a nice intraday trade or a scalp. If the price managed to close above this level, the 40K, then we will look at the previous range. So this is the range we had before. So the price, as we said, if the price managed to close here and then reject from here, but managed to close, also confirm this channel, then we'll be looking at the middle of the channel around 41,900, plus that this will be the middle of the channel of this channel and the point of control of this entire range. So if we take the fixed range volume for this entire range, the point of control, the most traded volume is around the 42K area. So this will be a strong resistance for Bitcoin to go through. This is another level we look at for a potential short trade if the price come here and rejected. So this will be a nice short trade. If this price is reclaimed, then we look at the top of the channel and this previous highs around 44K. If we go on the daily, if the price managed to close above this middle of the channel, then we will have a strong price action and we can look at these highs. Closing above these highs will be very bullish. Not very bullish, but we will be bullish because this was the last daily low. So this was the last daily low around 44K. So if Bitcoin can close dailies above this level, then we can start looking at the higher, at the highs here. And we will do the same thing. We will be looking at this range, first the 46 level, then the 48 level, then the biggest level to watch is 52. Closing above 52 will look super bullish because it will take out the last 2 daily highs. I don't think this will happen anytime soon. I think best for Bitcoin now is to hold the lows and consolidate around the levels for a couple of months. On the lows, what do we have? If the price, as we said, if the price didn't bounce from here and rejected, and then low of the channel, rejected, swing failure this, and didn't come back up, we will look down at the 30K level. This 30K level should act as a strong support, because if we look back, this level was strong support here, was strong support here, was strong support. So we expect a decent bounce from this level. Might be reversal, might not be reversal. We have to see when the price reach here, but we expect this to be a strong level of support, so anywhere between these lows, 28 up to 30K. I would also like to see swing failure of these lows, or even swing failure of these lows. So if the price in the coming couple of months rejected, went down, and end up down here, we expect each one of these levels to give a strong bounce for a good potential trade. So this is kind of on the high time frame, and as I said, on the low time frame, price rejected from this high, swing failure this high to the T, and now the price is heading lower. We want this around 36 area to hold, or 35 area for a strong support. If not, we will look at these levels, around 34, or potentially swing failure these lows for a trade up. This is it all, a fast update. I will try to do more of these to update you more on the Bitcoin chart, and have a good day.